In this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with oddly formatted time strings in R. And this came from data from the Canadian Hydrographic service, because I'm looking at some sea level data. And in fact, I'm getting like a week worth of data on a 3-minute interval. But I was finding some odd problems, which I eventually traced down to what you can see in this demonstration here. So in line 2, I'm making a thing which I'll call S, which is a set of character values. That's at the beginning of a day, 3 minutes after, 3 minutes after that, and then the beginning of the next day. So essentially, I was finding problems, and this is enough to demonstrate it. Okay, so I'm going to start our, make that a little bigger so you can see it. All right, I'll run that first line, and maybe we'll just see what S looks like. That's good. So that's all that's pretty straightforward. Let me run the second line 3 here. This is the problem. So if I don't specify a format, what it seems to be doing is it's realizing that some of them have year, month, day format, and it's using that. So, and I can kind of show that by, if I do a diff of that, you can see that the time differences are nothing, and then nothing, and then a whole day. So that's not good. The other thing is if I try to specify a format, it doesn't work. And if I do the try format parameter, that also doesn't help. So I'm going to show you what does help. But to demonstrate how I know that's a problem, I'll just do this. So from 1 to 3, you see that I still have the problem. And I'm skipping down now from, well, I'll do this one from 2 to 3. Problem goes away. There's 4 elements in there from 2 to 4. So basically what that shows is it seems to be scanning, not, at first I thought it was just if there's a problem in the first one, but it seems like what it must be doing is looking through all of them and finding, I don't know, deciding, I don't know how to say this even, but deciding to use the year, month, day format. Don't ask me why it would do that, but, and as I say, setting format doesn't seem to help, and setting try formats doesn't seem to help. And I've tried all the sensible alternatives. So here's my solution. I'm going to make a thing called format, and I'm using if else. And if you're not familiar with this, what I'm saying is if the number of characters in the element of S, this is the S's here, is equal to 10, and that's what you get from the year, month, day format, then the format shall be year, month, day, and otherwise it shall be year, month, day, hour, minute, second. So if I run that line, maybe I'll just show you the formats, what they end up being. So that's kind of what I expected. And if I do this, this is looking good. And you'll see here that it's the beginning of the day, 3 minutes in, another 3 minutes in, and the beginning of the next day. Long story short, the way you solve this problem of time varying formats is to give it a time varying format. And I think you're just going to have to figure it out yourself. I haven't been able to find any way to convince as.POSIXct or as.POSIXlt. I haven't found any way to convince them to sort of accept this format if you've got that many characters, and that if you've got that many characters. I sort of thought it would figure that out, but it doesn't figure it out. I'm using the most up-to-date R as of the end of December, I guess, basically the end of the year, 2024. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.